Yo everyone, if your BMW radio is already locked and you don't have unlock code, I have a great tutorial for you. This application, Radio++, allows you to generate for unlock code for every radio in BMW. All you have to do, we must enter our serial number or VIN of our vehicle. So I enter mine. Yeah, the next step is press button generate, and now as you can see everything is generated. It's work for every model of radio in BMW. So wait to finish, and this is awesome and absolutely for free. This is our unlock code and I get this absolutely for free. Radio++ application is awesome. How to get this application for your device, Android on iOS? It's easy. Open browser, go to Zeno app, type this there. Radio, this is it, press button, install. Now very important, wait to finish this process. The last step is human verification. Follow all instructions. After complete every step from this easy verification, Radio++ will be installed in your device, and this awesome radio calculator from unlock code BMW is work for every model in BMW radio. Thank you for watching.